Park in St. Clair East. Incoming U.S. President Barack Obama will reinstate a long-time
What's he doing over there?
weeks. It's now been confirmed Barack Obama will make his first foreign trip as president to Canada. George W. Bush did not put Canada first on his list when he became president 8 years ago. Harper Cabinet Minister Peter Kent says Obama's pending visit is a good development for relations between Ottawa and Washington.
Where are you going, kiddo? Are you gonna turn on your game? You gotta push the button. Push the button on the right side. No, you're gonna break it. April May. You turned it on.
Huh? What?
No, April did.
Oh, she did.
She turned on her game.
Oh.
Her system is on. Oh, I didn't really want to watch this one. You turned it on. Yeah. Wow, it's glowing so pretty. Man, they got that cartridge hooked in there pretty good, don't they? April. April. You turned it off again. You turned it on again. What you doing? Where's your pants? April, look at mommy. Look at mommy. Hi. Be careful. Go. April. April. Hi. What you got over there? A bunch of wires? Okay. I'll have to turn off the camera then so that we can get you out of the wires. Say bye-bye.